The time has come. We are finally doing our first install of the brand new XB LED headlights from Morimoto for the C6 Corvettes. I know a lot of you guys have been following the development of these things throughout the year, and they are finally in hand and almost ready to ship out. So thankfully, a friend of ours here in Atlanta was nice enough to share his C6 Vet with us today. We're going to be putting these things on here. We're going to be leaving them on the car because we are going to be replacing permanently the OEM shit show of headlights that are on this thing from the factory. These things are full LED, and that means that the low beam, the high beam, the daytime running light, and the sequential turn signal are all powered by Osram LEDs. Now comparing that to the OEM HIDs that came with the car, worlds better in terms of performance, reliability, and of course the modern look that are derived from the look of the C7. So if you like that facelifted style from the C7, this is a solid way to achieve that as well. So we can't wait to get these things on here, walk you through all the functions, and show you just how much of an upgrade these things are. We understand that the price is not cheap, but in this world you pay for what you get. You got a sweet vet. Now it's time to pimp your headlights.